Yep.
Okay, we want to make our sentence a little bit more interesting, and we want to add an adverb. Remember, an adverb, or an ly adverb, ends in ly, and it's a word that describes how the verb is being done. So how did Jack climb the beanstalk? Have a little think. Talk to Mum and Dad. How did he climb it? I've made a list of a few adverbs of how Jack may have climbed the beanstalk. He may have done it quietly. He might have been quite noisy and done it noisily. I bet he was very careful. His beanstalk's pretty high up in the sky. Maybe it was a bit stupid that he climbed it. Perhaps he was brave. Nimbly. Nimbly means fast and kind of like quite fit and able to do it really well. Slowly or quickly. You might have some other adverbs that we could add here. Now I'm going to choose one of those adverbs and write it on another carriage. And I've chosen nimbly. Nimbly. Quick and fitly. Nimbly. Right, let's read our sentence. Jack climbed the beanstalk up into the clouds nimbly. Right, does that make sense? Does it have a subject? Yes, what's the subject? That's right, Jack. And what did he do? That's right, he climbed the beanstalk. How did he do it? Nimbly. Right, so this is our simple sentence. Jack climbed the beanstalk up into the clouds nimbly. Now we could change that around and we could say, Jack nimbly climbed the beanstalk up into the clouds. That is still a simple sentence because the subject is first. But our goal today is to change our sentence into an ly adverb start, which means we need to start with our adverb. I'm going to change that. I'm going to put that first. Nimbly, Jack climbed the beanstalk up to the clouds. Okay, we need to add some punctuation into that. The first bit is we need to put a full stop at the end of our sentence to show that it's the end of our idea. Let's have a read. Nimbly, Jack climbed the beanstalk up into the clouds. Now we know that there's a rule. Trains are always pulled by our carriage. But trains can also push carriages, but they need a little joiner. Now for the joiner, we use that's right, a comma. Anything that comes before the subject in a sentence needs to have a comma. Let's read that sentence. Nimbly, Jack climbed the beanstalk up into the clouds. Does it make sense? Yes, it does.